Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money on HSBC Bank. Alright, so let's begin. First, open the HSBC mobile banking app on your phone and sign in using your username and password. If you've enabled biometric login, you can also use Face ID or fingerprint authentication. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can view your accounts and current balances. From here, look at the bottom left corner and tap on Move Money. Next, select Pay and Transfer to access the money transfer options. You'll then need to choose the account you're sending money from, the recipient or destination account, and the amount you want to transfer. Before continuing, carefully check that you've selected the correct accounts and entered the right amount. This helps prevent mistakes and ensures your money goes to the intended recipient. You can also add a payment reference to help identify the transaction later. For example, you could enter something like rent, bill, gift, or another description that makes sense for your transfer. After that, choose when you want the payment to be sent. You can send it immediately, or if the option is available, schedule the transfer for a future date. Once you've entered all the required information, tap Confirm. You'll then be taken to a review screen where you can check the complete transfer details one more time. Take a moment to carefully review everything, especially the recipient information and the amount you're sending. If all the details are correct, tap Confirm again to authorize the transfer. After the payment has been submitted, you'll see a confirmation message or receipt on the screen. Depending on your account and notification settings, you may also receive a text message or email confirming that the transfer was successful, and that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer money on HSBC Bank. So that's all for this video.